students, I am Nisha Nair. In this video, we are going to learn another type of bond, which is metallic bond and properties of metallic bond. Different properties of metallic bond. So, let me start our lecture with what is metallic bond. Now, what is metallic bond? Simply we can say metallic bond are those bonds which are found in metals. We know there are different metals like iron, gold, silver, mercury, copper, nickel. These all are metals. And this show one properties. They have different properties like they show conductivity, they show electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, ductility, metallic luster. It's all come from their structures. It's all come from their types of bond which is found in the metal. So, let me go for the topic. What is metallic bond? Metallic bond means if we take the structure of metal, as you can see in diagram, in metals you can see the nucleus which are known as a kernels whose positions are fixed. They cannot mobile. So the nucleus which has a positive charge is on the fixed position, and you can see a mobile of electrons. Mobile of electrons means the electrons which are revolving around the atoms can move. They have the mobilities which are known as a delocalized electron. So in metal you can see the nucleus whose are positive charge have the fixed position in their structure, and the moving electrons which are known as a delocalized electrons moves around this nucleus. Now this positive fixed charge nucleus are known as kernels, and these moving electrons are known as delocalized electron. As we know, the nucleus have positive charge and electrons have negative charge. So there is a force of attractions between these electrons and this kernel. So the metallic bond is known as the force of attractions between these positive charge kernels and this delocalized electrons is known as a metallic bond. In metals, the bond formation is due to the between these kernels and delocalized electrons. Such bond is known as a metallic bond. Now, metal shows different types of property. First property is metallic luster. Second, electrical conductivity. Third, thermal conductivity. Fourth, ductility and malleability. So, let me see about the metallic luster. Why metal shows metallic luster? Metallic luster means shining properties. It's all about their structures. Metal has a one specific type of a structure which is responsible to show this all types of properties. For example, metallic luster properties is shown by metal due to, as we know in the structure of metals, we know it consists of kernels and mobilized electron. This mobilized electron, these delocalized electrons plays a specific role because these electrons can absorb energy. When lights get incident on metal, this light energy is absorbed by these electrons and electron will start vibrating. So after vibrations, it become unstable, it liberate energy and this energy is reflected back. That's why the metal shows this metallic luster property, because it can absorb this energy and this energy is absorbed by these delocalized electrons, and these d electrons get vibrate and they reflect back or they emit back the energy which they have absorbed. So this emission back of energy shows this kind of a property which is known as a metallic luster. Now, second property of metal is electrical conductivity. Metal shows electrical conductivity, means it is a good conductor of electricity. Electricity can pass through metals. Why? Because as we have seen the structure of this metal which consists of kernels and delocalized electron, here mobilized electrons. We know electricity is the flow of electron. So here occurs the flow of electrons. Electrons are moving from one place to another place, so it can conduct electricity. That's why metals shows electrical conductivity because of the presence of this delocalized electron. Now, third properties of metal is thermal conductivity. we know it also conduct a thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity means temperature passage. When we give a temperature to a metals, the temperature is passed from one place to another place. This is because when we are giving temperature to these metals, these electrons absorb energy and they start vibrating. With vibration, they move from one position to another position. Therefore, they transfer energy from one play position to another position. If we take a steel container and when we apply a temperature in steel conductor, here we can say temperature at the bottom side, but after sometimes we can see the same uniform temperature to the entire container, because first the energy, this thermal energy is absorbed by container's bottom atoms, metal atoms. Then the electrons from this bottom atom start vibrating and move to the upward side. So the energy is transferred from down position to the top positions. This is because the presence of this delocalized electron. Now the last properties of metal is malleability and ductility. This metal can form in the sheet form also, which is known as a malleability, and it can also form in the form of wire or in the thin wire, which is also known as a ductility. So these are the properties of the metal, and the main reason for metal to show this property is due to the presence of metallic bond, and the metallic bond here is due to the presence of this positive kernels and delocalized electrons. The presence of this mobilized electrons plays a crucial role for a metal to show this all kind of properties.